Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another video for mindful eating, healthy eating for the mind and body. My name is Miss Carla Thomas. I'm a trained chef. Today we'll be doing a very quick video for chicken shawarma wraps. Basically, I've already cooked the chicken already, and I'm just going to show you here. This is roughly 2 chicken breasts that have thinly sliced, and this is how it looks. I just added a bit of seasoning to it. We've got some shredded lettuce here, and we've got a mixture of a bit of basically some sliced tomatoes, and just under underripe cucumber, and some red onions. And here I've just got some Greek yogurt here that I've seasoned with a bit of lemon, garlic granules, salt and pepper. So what we're going to do very quickly here is we're just going to spread our wrap, and this is a wrap, whole wheat wrap, white and brown, and we're just going to spread it across our tortilla wrap like this. We're going to add our bits of chicken here, just in the middle here, very quickly. Just going to add a bit of it very quickly here. Just add some in the middle. You can add as much as little as you want. Then we're going to add a bit of the lettuce, tiny bit. Then we're going to add our vegetable mixture, and then if you don't want to put it in the wrap itself, you can have it on the side as a salad very quickly there. And we're just, because it's a very small wrap, what we're going to do it like this, and we're just going to quickly slightly roll it to, if you want to just take out a bit of the mixture if it's too full. This is quite a small wrap, and we're just going to quickly roll it through like this, very quickly. And then we're going to get our knife to cut it in half, just like so. And cut it in half like this. And there we have it here, our mini wraps. And we can have these wraps basically as a light snack or as a lovely meal on the side. I hope this video